location. We also acquired a site from Con Edison just north of the Manhattan Bridge. 85% of that site will be used for park, as you can see part of this here. But we also selected a developer for a 9,000 square foot site for a 13-story apartment house, and this is designed by Jared Del Valle, his firm Alloy Developers. So this project will go into construction later next year. We had this a building, as I mentioned earlier, on the site called Empire Stores. This is a long vacant set of warehouses, most famously photographed by Bernice Abbott as the sort of penultimate photograph of the Brooklyn waterfront. Just several months ago, we announced that Midtown Equities, which is a local Brooklyn firm, will be renovating this building for retail and office space above. And West Elm will be the lead tenant. So this is sort of a wrap-up of our finances. I won't go into all the details, but I really wanted to just sort of pinpoint to you how you get to this $16 million a year budget. We estimate that we will be able to generate enough, about $13.5 million in recurring revenue from all of those sites to sustain our operating budget. And then because of how strong the New York City real estate market has been, we will be receiving enough large one-time payments from these various developers that will really help us meet our $250 million in maritime repair. So this is a pretty sophisticated model. Just to sort of go slightly off topic for those of you who are thinking about school, the two people that run my real estate division are both planners with extensive business school business experience, and they've been running this section of my my office for me. But it's been a phenomenal experience for a planner to bring these project sites through the RFP process to designate developers. So moving away from the financial topic, just wanted to talk a little bit more about what's to come for the park. As I mentioned earlier, we're building a beautiful portion of our park adjacent to the highway. It also uses a lot of recycled granite, and this is going to be a new space called the Granite Terrace. You could see here, again, just pointing to the themes of the designer from earlier in the presentation of newly built topography using recycled materials. We're also building a beach. This is another thing that drives me crazy with the engineers. How do you know this beach is